zoba twabasa kuba netutayira omushamu mukuru bakweta Bonaventure niwe pastor aine church muri Kasesenge mu district ya Kabalole district kandi mu parish ya Kasesenge sub county Kabende sub county nukigamba ngu atandikire eduka yokukola enkito zona ezabisiki ezabana ezabasajja bakulu nezabakazi hamu nezabagulisi zona basikuba nazikola. He has produced a lot of them. He has almost 200 and plus which already manufactured and supplied. Today we have visited his shop and you can see the video, what is transpiring, what is moving on the video. That is his shop. It is found in Kasesenge Trading Center in Kabende sub-county. The price is very accommodative. You just visit his shop and call his telephone numbers. Yes, if you call him, you'll be able to get his services. Very smart. So please, don't forget to support him. He has a very good shop. And please don't forget, please. Hey, Bonaventure is a very good pastor, and despite the fact that he's a religious person, he has also come up to start a church and also a business for making shoes. It is in Kabende sub-county. People around Kijula, Kibale sub-county, Kibasi town council, Kibulala, Mwena, mugendo wa Bonaventure, Kabende sub-county, Kasesenge. Jakwana hoteli nambazi zesimu, bola mala kuteli nambazi zesimu no jakwana mfuna kulungi kandi na kugamba nti ebintu byona biliyo nkito azikozere abana balesere deno ino mwana wao nanda kusoma mulete nawe naja kuba nasoma kulungi amaze cha musanju amaze sine ya kana amaze sine ya mkaga amaze university nyinga shi asomire wegise bono basobora kuba asomire tesumuze zo musanju ninga sho handike 0777 10 mukaga asatu na musanju chenda na mukaga zo musanju esatu 10 mukaga asatu na musanju chenda na mukaga 0777 16 37 96 nuja kuba nufuna ubuhereza bona obuli kuruga mu duka lye erukola enkito ne factory tibyokuzana kugambira atandikire factory yokola enkito ati Kabalole. Can you believe that you've got the first opportunity? Omugisa mugufunile. Yes, isomero lyene ya Blessed Child National Primary School la Saidao kandi twale mwana kuruga mchokubanza kuja mcha musanju. Misomero elyo mubungile ugende ino kuba nofune byamani kandi aizire yatwikira ba Kiswahili TV tugenzire twakwata omukolo live gona gubiye live twasoma twayega nanyi wale kinyegileyo. So tugende owa Bonaventure Kasesenge atandikire duka eryokukola ninga factory aine duka na factory byona hamu. Bonaventure Kasesenge aine ni somero ya primary Blessed Child National Primary School kandi kubungugambire tere esimuze utere 0777 ninga shi ikibakweta 0777 16 37 96 077 16 37 96 uja kwa nufuna kulungu. Thank you so much.